we go, rocking out a box, 12-13 in the game, Superlative V3 for Matt Fern. There's a lid, number 11. Alright. We've got a game-used jersey, silver, numbered 1/30, Adam Oates. We've got an auto plus emblem, 2 colors, numbered 3/9, Mario Lemieux. We've got a prospect, auto plus number, numbered 3/9, Ian Schultz. 3/9, Ian Schultz. We've got a Superlative patch gold short print, numbered 2/2, Phil Esposito. 2/2, Phil Esposito. We've got a 4-color auto plus number, numbered 7/9, Martin St. Louis. We've got a raise to the rafters, numbered 6/9, Bobby Hull. 6/9, Bobby Hull. And we've got a quad jersey, numbered 1/9, Jacques Plante, Rogie Vachon, Patrick Waugh, and Carey Price. That's a hell of a pack. And the redemptions, we've got a triple, numbered 1/9, Mike Modano, Mike Richter, Brian Leach. And a 6-piece jersey, numbered 2/9, Dave Schultz, Dan Maloney, Dale Hunter, Terry O'Reilly, Tiger Williams, and Bob Probert. Yes, that was acceptable.